to Rose Kitchen. It's a pleasure to have you in my kitchen today. Who joining me for the first time? Guys, a big welcome to you all, okay? A big hug. Today I'm going to make some Guinness Punch. Yes, guys. Back home, every Sunday when we're eating our dinner, it have to be a juice. Carrot juice, soursop juice. Okay, guys? So today I'm going to do a quick and easy juice for you all, okay? So guys, let's get started. So guys, here is all my ingredients. I have my Guinness here, a can of Guinness. You could also use a bottle one. I have nutmeg. I have my cinnamon. I have my sweet milk, condensed milk. Cannot go wrong with this, guys. I have my Nutrament here, okay? And I have my vanilla. It's a quick and easy recipe, guys. Alright? So I'm going to pour the Guinness in. Guys, if you don't have to use a blender. You could just put it into a plastic or a glass bowl or a jug or something and sweeten it, okay? Now I add my Guinness in. Don't worry about the froth, guys, that will disappear. I'm going to put the Nutrament in. I'm not going to add all. Just going to add half of the Nutrament. Guys, I'm going to add some condensed milk, some sweet milk. The sweet milk gives it the taste, guys, the sweetness, okay? I'm going to add some vanilla in. I'm going to add in some nutmeg, guys, and also some cinnamon. We're just going to blend it. It will combine together. Guys, you just want to sweeten to your taste, okay? See, guys, quick and easy. I'm just going to add some more sweet milk, guys. And I'm going to add more nutmeg and some more cinnamon. Guys, please do not hesitate to subscribe, like, share, make a comment, guys. Guys, you could pour it in a container, leave it in the fridge, let it chill for a few minutes. Or you want to drink it right away, you just put your ice in your glass and just pour. And there you go, guys. Guinness Punch. Quick and easy, guys. Quick and easy. Okay? Thanks for watching. Guys, please do not hesitate to subscribe, like, share, make a comment, and tap that notification bell to get all the new content when I put out a new content. Okay? So guys, from Rose Kitchen to yours, have a great day. Bye.